And on the XAUSD, we already saw a bearish momentum yesterday. Sincerely, we saw it was outrightly very, very clear. Despite the fact we were expecting a bullish momentum, as price has been oscillating right above that demand zone. Sorry, above that bullish trend line. Let me go back to the daily time frame and show you what I'm talking about. So this is what we had. We had this yesterday. I think we shared this yesterday, and we saw our price was around that bullish trend line here. We saw price was around that bullish trend line before. This had not happened yesterday. We saw price around this here. And remember, I always emphasize how when price is oscillating right above or below a bullish or bearish trend line, we really need to be very, very careful, as we can't just join the trend continuation just like that. We only join when we see a signal, a confirmation, then we can join that trend. However, we didn't see that confirmation happen yesterday. Let's look at what we saw yesterday. On the 1 hour time frame, I shared the scenario. Hold on a second. On the 1 hour time frame, I shared the scenario here where I said if we do have a breakdown of this bullish trend line, remember this bullish trend line is the trend line we saw on the daily time frame. If we see a breakdown of this trend line, which also shares a confluence with the new key level we identified at $1,809 area, if you remember vividly, and then we see a retest of the structure, then we want to be joining a decline right below the key level. At that level, we are very, very comfortable that we will be going bearish, as that area is right below the bullish trend line we identified on the daily time frame, and also we are right below the previous low that we identified here, placing a key level at $1,809 to guide our action. So what happened? We had a breakdown of that trend line, we had a breakdown of the key level, we had a retest of the key level, we had a breakdown of the trend line, breakdown of the key level, we had a retest of structure, price came back down to break the key level one more time. We saw a retest of that bearish trend line. If you go to your lower time frame, then we saw boom, the price continued to the downside. So if you are in this trade right now, kudos to you for you to have caught that move. That's a great job you have done there. So we will be running around about, I think, 1,800 pips right now. And remember, where was our take profit target? Our take profit targets fell around this area at around $1,775 and $1,785 area, the area highlighted in this yellow box. So that's where our take profit target is going to be for the meantime. So I'll be advising that whatever profit you have at this point in time, it's advisable that you move your stop loss accordingly so that you can lock in some profit. You don't want to get caught in unnecessary spike back to the upside. So lock your profit in, aim at your take profit target, and let's see how price plays out during the New York session. However, in addition to this, if at any point in time during the New York session we see price come back into this area one more time and we see a structure that supports a trend continuation, my friend, you can add more trade to this trade. So this is more or less a bearish momentum here, and I think this bearish momentum will hold throughout the day. So this is my scenario here on the XAUSD. I don't think I have any more to say here. And if you do have any questions, you can drop it in the comment section. I'll look at it and let's have a chat in that regard. So this is what I'm looking out for here on the XAUUSD.